What is going on, everybody? So first off, the intro is in black and white because I've done something to the car that I will reveal in a later video. If you follow me on Instagram, you've actually already seen it. So to keep up to date with real-time things that happen to the car, follow me on Instagram. This video is something I shot a few months back. I did get a new exhaust setup, and just for the fun of it, I wanted to run the cam tune to see how it sounds. So this is a short, quick video. The cam tune, I do not run it on a daily basis. I only run it just for fun. I do not drive with it because it drives terribly. It sounds cool though. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you aren't already, make sure to subscribe. Also, if you like the video, go ahead and like it, and stay tuned for more videos. Y'all take care. Have a great day.